Okay, now that we got this done, I'm going to do one here by using either a sawzall or a saber saw or something. But we're going to mark it out and show you what kind of. It's a lot harder to do it like that, but if you just got one door and you just want to do, I don't know what else to think there, but anyway. All right, let's mark this thing. You got to mark the front of the door. It fits relatively well here, and I really lucked out here because this is usually where I mess up, you know, cutting it crooked or something, but I got it straight across, so it turned out real nice.